Today, I, Ananya Vashne, is here with another topic of our environment. Every living and non-living thing on Earth's surface around you makes up an environment. It has three parts: lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere. So let's learn about them in detail. Lithosphere. All the landmass of continents and the ocean floor makes up the lithosphere. Lithosphere consists of a layer of soil which is suitable for growing crops and plants. All the natural resources like coal, petroleum are found in this layer. It is divided into three parts: core, mantle and crust. Core is the innermost point of the earth and it is mostly made up of iron. Mantle. Mantle is mostly made up of molten rocks which is called magma. And crust. Crust is the outermost solid layer of earth and lithosphere is made up of the crust. So we can say lithosphere is the outermost solid layer of earth where natural resources are found. It has soil which is suitable for growing plants and crops. Hydrosphere. All the water present on earth makes hydrosphere. Here, hydro means water and sphere means area. So the water area on Earth's surface is hydrosphere. Water is mostly 70% on Earth's surface and it is in oceans, rivers, lakes, seas, underground water and also in the frozen water in the glaciers and the Arctic and Antarctic ice sheets. Hydrosphere also has water cycle which refills the water supply on Earth. When the sun warms the water from oceans and seas, they form clouds in the atmosphere. And when these clouds get heavy, they fall down on Earth back in the form of rainfall. And thus again and again this process goes on and refills the water supply on Earth. Atmosphere. The blanket of air surrounding the Earth is known as atmosphere. It has all the necessary gases which are important for life on Earth. It has carbon dioxide which is important for the process of photosynthesis for plants. It has oxygen which is important for the human breathing and formation of blood. And also it has nitrogen which helps plants to grow and do the process of photosynthesis indirectly. Atmosphere. It is divided into 5 layers: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. Troposphere is the first layer of atmosphere. All the weather phenomena occur in this layer. Stratosphere. Stratosphere has a layer called ozone layer which blocks the harmful radiation of sun to fall on Earth and thus protect the life on Earth. The next third layer is mesosphere. All the meteors burn up here. If there would not be mesosphere and the meteors fall directly on Earth's surface, it could cause a very great loss of life and damage to properties. And next, thermosphere. Thermosphere is the fourth layer of atmosphere. Aurora borealis forms here. Thermosphere also has ionosphere which is useful for the radio waves to travel. And exosphere is the last layer and the space starts from here. So this was atmosphere and all of these come together to form biosphere. It means biosphere is an area on Earth where life exists. As we all know, the land, lithosphere, is important for us on which we stand. Hydrosphere, water, is important for us which we drink. And atmosphere it is important for the air we breathe. And when all of these come together, they form biosphere, which is all land, water and air. And this biosphere is an ecosystem. Ecosystem is a place where life exists and it can be a big forest or a small puddle. So our topic is for today is completed. Hope you liked the video.